Travis Rogers with the Dental Innovation Show. I'm here at the Women in DSO event here in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Dr. Emily Splichal. Dr. Emily Splichal is a world-renowned podiatrist, a functional podiatrist. Tell us a little bit about what functional podiatry means.
Sure. So functional podiatry means that I look at the entire body. I'm factoring in things like stress, diet, inflammation, and then, of course, looking at functional movement.
So there's some buzz in the industry, in the dental industry, about the head to toe and everything in between, all about wellness. It's a buzzword. So as far as dental professionals and team members and those types of folks, how does functional podiatry help them?
Well, for the provider and those who are on their feet, it's obviously ergonomics. So to treat patients well and to have longevity in your career, you want to be thinking about your posture, your movement, and your personal recovery, because we can only treat as well as we feel good.
So you have a company called Naboso, and I've got the products in my feet right now. So let's talk about Naboso in the dental industry and how your products can help dental team members as well as their patients, because there's also, all the dentists I know are always trying to look at not only the whole body health, but also retail products that they can sell to their patients as well. But let's talk about that in the practice and also with their patients.
Yes, so Naboso is a sensory technology company, and we have textured products from socks, insoles, release tools, hand release tools as well. And all of the products are stimulating the nerves in the bottom of the feet and also the palm of the hand. So thinking from a dentistry perspective would be how we feel our feet, our foot posture affects our total body posture and alignment. But then unique for dentistry is they're using their hands a lot. So a lot of the products are also really good to keep the hands strong, recovered, releasing the forearms. So that's really important for the longevity of the career of the dental provider. And then of course for the patients is everything is connected. So you want to think about your feet as much as you think about your jaw and your teeth.
So this is your first time at a Women in DSO event. What do you think of the event?
I'm very impressed. I'm sold. I love how it's focused on elevating women, actually elevating the industry, not just women, and trying to move and educate and empower professionals to move within their career. And then a lot of innovation and mentorship as well. So to me, it's very inspiring. It makes me want to be a dentist or within the dental industry. So I'm impressed and I'm sold next year.
Next year, we're going to get you on stage. A big topic here. All the people that I've talked about, one of the 4 pillars is actually wellness in dental. So talk about kind of what you do products-wise and otherwise. You're a podiatrist, you have products. How do we pull that all together into the dental industry? And what are you going to talk about next year when you're on stage here?
I think posture is probably the easiest one, and really thinking about the dentist's recovery themselves, the provider. Thinking about our foot posture. We're on our feet all day. What can we do? Do we use sensory insoles such as you use to keep a very strong foundation? Really postural awareness, ergonomics is important. And then it really gives just a continued story for the patient. When you recover from different procedures, it's really a holistic approach, and that's how I look at the body in general. So a lot of providers are thinking nutrition to recover, sleep to recover, supplements, and then it's also getting that sensory stimulation.
So how does the audience get in touch with you?
So I'm on Instagram, which is probably the easiest, the Functional Foot Doc, and then Naboso, which are the sensory-based products, is NABOSO_technology.
All right, well, Dr. Splichal, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
I didn't really ask exactly